Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a conversation practice routine with Pimsleur, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To create a conversation practice routine with Pimsleur, start by selecting your target language. Download the Pimsleur app on your device to access the courses. Open the app and sign in or create a new account if you don't have one. Browse through the available courses and choose the level that suits your proficiency. Begin with the first lesson in your chosen course. Set aside a specific time each day for your practice sessions. Aim for at least 30 minutes of focused learning. Make sure you are in a quiet and comfortable environment free from distractions. Listen actively to the audio lesson, repeating phrases aloud as instructed. Focus on pronunciation and intonation, mimicking the speakers closely. After the lesson, take a few minutes to review the key vocabulary and phrases. Write down any new words or phrases to reinforce your memory. Incorporate these words into your daily conversations, even if just with yourself. Designate time each week to practice with a conversation partner if possible. Use online platforms to find language exchange partners who speak your target language. Engage in conversations using Pimsleur content as the basis for discussion topics. Track your progress by noting improvements in fluency and confidence. Adjust the length or frequency of your practice as needed to stay motivated. Explore additional resources to complement your Pimsleur lessons. Stay committed and enjoy the learning process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.